Hello everyone, who are all doing today? I'm Farhala back in with another video for you guys, and today I'm reacting to a very important video. And it's a Gfriend sneezing compilation video. So I wasn't ready for this video, but yeah, I was told that it's on my recommendation. So I was like, okay, let's watch this video, since I didn't even watch this video. So yeah, let's react. But yeah guys, I want to say some things, and very important, thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. Thank you whoever comments, down below in my every video. Thank you so much for all the love and support. I mean, the way you guys support me is it's amazing. I would never expected anything, but a lot of things are happening in my life, and you guys are my happiness. Thank you so much for supporting me every single day. I mean, you guys are just amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing, and I hope you guys will support me in the near future as well. So yeah guys, without further ado, let's start watching this video. Okay, ready? 1, 2, and 3. Okay, let me, my headphones, everything. Okay, ready? 1, 2, and 3. Sowon, huge shout out to channel Yujin Official for uploading all these videos. It takes a lot of time to edit, but he or she is uploading all these videos, you know. It takes a lot of hard work. Okay, Sowon. That's kind of unique. Shinbi. Oh my gosh. Okay, Sowon.
그리고 굉장히 자기 관리를 잘해요. 근데 좀 뭔가
Okay.
인위적이에요. 예를 들면 재채기를.
When she sneezes, she tried to make sound. Yeah. What? She's desperate for attention. Okay, Shinbi's. I think Shinbi's spitting some truths.
생활을 바꾸는 안전한 가구를
Okay. Oh, so cute. Eunha is so cute. Okay, Eunha. That's me out there. I'm Eunha. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys, I can see them sneezing 24/7. They're like Sowon is so different.
일단 제가 먼저
Yeah, let's see. I think I'm Shinbi. I'm Shinbi, guys. That's how I do it. Exactly, I'm Shinbi, guys. I'm Shinbi. Ooh, that was hard. I'm either Shinbi or Eunha. They're like so cute though. I mean, when they sneeze. Look at MG. Yeah, she's gonna sneeze. Baby. Such a baby.
발랄하고 좀 이 무거 발랄하고 좀 이 무거
Sowon is on a whole different level. I mean, she's just another level.
누가 봐도 나 찾았다요 이럴 때까지
Look at Yeon's face.
Apa ada apa aja ya di puncak promo Shopee 11 Big Sale ini? Banyak banget. Apa ada apa aja ya di puncak promo Shopee 11 Big Sale ini? Banyak banget.
So basically, it's just 5 minutes of them sneezing. Wow, I mean, they sneeze a lot. God bless you. Yeah. Oh, that's it? What? I want more. Wow. Okay. I sound so like what I should say. I don't sound good whenever I sneeze. Like I sound like an old man. You know what I'm saying, guys? But wow, they just sound amazing when they sneeze. They just sound so perfect. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really want to say some things, like some important things. You know, about Gfriend. You guys, a lot of people are now saying that Gfriend is under big hit entertainment, and that's why I talked about this in my last video as well. But I think I need to talk about this now too. And the thing is, a lot of people are saying that Gfriend is under big hit, and that's why armies are supporting Gfriend. I mean, that's good, guys. I think personally, that's what I think. I think this is really good that now Gfriend is, you know, gaining some more like viewers, some more like their fans, and it's okay. I'm an army as well. Before I started standing Gfriend, I had no idea about them, but nowadays I'm loving them. I'm standing them. I'm watching their videos every single day. If you guys subscribe to this channel, you know how much I love Gfriend and how much I support them. So just like me, you can expect a lot of people can become buddies, you know. Ugh. Okay, that's a little burp, but guys, that's all I'm saying. Like, I mean, Gfriend is gaining a lot of, you know, fans nowadays, and armies are supporting them, and thanks to all the armies who are genuinely supporting Gfriend, I really, you know, wish them best. I'm really happy for all the armies who are, you know, becoming buddy as well, who are supporting. I mean, you don't need to become a buddy, you just need to support Gfriend, and as a level mate, as their sister group, I think yeah, I think Gfriend, and that's why I said that Gfriend will shine this year, because they have a lot of opportunities. They will get a lot of opportunities, and they will get a lot of support from the armies and from the MOAs, you know what I'm saying, because they're the only, you know, girl group under Big Hit, and that's why I think they will get a lot of opportunity, and I personally will support them, and I support them so much. I'm a buddy now, and like, guys, I just want to say, like, I wanted to say a lot of things to the buddies who say that you know, why armies are supporting, why, like, now this and that. I mean, you can say a lot of things, but the reality is it's benefiting, you know, Gfriend. So if it is benefiting Gfriend, then I think we should you know, support, you know, the decision. I think after all, it's good for Gfriend. So armies, if armies support them, then it's good for Gfriend. So yeah, guys, that's all I want to say. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you really liked it. If you guys liked this video, then smash the like button, and yeah, subscribe.